Alright everyone, today, I want to chat with you about greenwashing. What exactly is greenwashing? Imagine a company trying to look all eco-friendly, like they're really caring for environment. But you might find that it's more of a show than actual change. They're painting themselves green, but underneath, their practices might not be all that green at all. How do they pull this off? Well, there are a few sneaky ways. First, they might throw around words like eco-friendly, natural, or sustainable without telling you exactly what that means. Second, sometimes, they'll make big green claims without showing you any evidence to back it up. It's like saying you aced a test without showing the results. Third, they might use green colors or pictures of nature on their packaging to make you think it's eco-friendly, even if the product inside isn't. It's like judging a book by its cover, the inside might be totally different. Now, how does this relate to our world of green supply chain? Let me give you some examples. First, where did it really come from? A clothing brand might say they use sustainable cotton, but they don't tell you how it was grown, how much water was used, or if any nasty pesticides were involved. Or a wood company might say responsibly sourced without showing any proof that they're not chopping down ancient forests. Second, a shipping company might brag about their few electric vans while most of their fleet are still gas guzzlers. Third, a factory might highlight its water recycling for one tiny part of the process but still be polluting rivers with other waste. Or a chemical company might advertise a greener product while their overall factory still creates tons of hazardous waste. Fourth, a company might say they have a sustainable supply chain just because they did a quick, surface-level check on their suppliers without really digging into their environmental practices. So, what can we do about this? How do we solve the greenwashing problem? First, governments need to make clearer rules about what companies can and can't say when it comes to being green, and they need to actually enforce those rules. Second, real seals of approval. We need more trustworthy and clear certifications from independent organizations that actually mean something. Think of it like a quality stamp you can rely on. Third, show us the receipts. Companies need to be way more open about their environmental impact, showing us exactly where their products come from, how they're made, and what happens to them at the end of their life. We need to be able to trace things. Fourth, companies need to be held responsible when they lie about being green. There should be consequences. Ultimately, understanding greenwashing is crucial for you as future leaders in green supply chain. So, keep your eyes open, be critical thinkers. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.